Alright, boys, it is the 2nd of April 2026. So, the market has been moving for us. Finally, it has been moving for us, boys. We are finally moving. I get we're in recession, this isn't very good, but look, if you're clever, you'll be buying the S&P 500, you know? You'll keep buying it. The more it drops, the more you buy. But we're not talking about that right now. Right now, okay, look. First of all, before I get into any of the higher time frame stuff, because we're in a very interesting spot right now, let's get into our confluence. So we have Asia high up here. You can see 1.5. Asia high. This should be the London high. London low has been taken, Asia low has been taken, and then we have draws lower. Previous daily low was taken, the previous daily high untapped. We have this low, this ultimate sell side on the 4 hour, that's the sell side. This is the point of control, you can tell just by the volume here, very choppy, so that means the most volume is there. Still got a cough. Alright, so the 4 hour, we are currently bearish. We're tapping into this 4 hour. We're kind of in between high time frame PDRAs at the minute. So one reason to ignore this 4 hour is that we are displacing out of the daily gap here. Currently displacing out the daily gap. And we are currently in another daily gap. So we're in between two daily gaps, right? And a 4 hour within that fucking daily gap. Okay, so we are in a spot where it's very indecisive for us. So all we have to do is wait for the market open and just see where displacement is. That's it. Do we displace lower? Do we chop about? Since we've already displaced during the London, we could very well, you know, reverse up into here, and then the PM sessions will shoot it lower. We'll just have to see. We'll just have to see where we were trying to go. We do have a 4 hour gap up here. Yeah, this was that gap with the no wick, so that was a pretty obvious draw for internal at least. And then we have the sell side down here. We have one more gap here, but that's already been mitigated on the US, so I don't really. Maybe we could go for the internal low. Just mark this out correctly for you guys. Just quickly get all of this on. Okay. All of our confluences are on here. Lovely. Cool. So I'm just gonna remove these gaps for the minute. I'll keep the daily one because we're clearly displacing out of that in a minute. Right now we're even in between two 15-minute gaps. It looks like sells though. Yeah. It looks like we're respecting. Like we get the close and then something like this would be a short. I would want to play it to the low, and that's it. you get a pretty strong inverse here on the 1 minute you can take. I would be break even already on this bit. Looking for the lows. Anyways, we have about 16 minutes until market opens. We'll just leave this on, you know, as a little tester trade to see how the markets are moving. Ooh, no. Let's look at news. Okay, so what did he talk about? Let's have a look. Okay. Oh, fuck, man. Right. Okay, nearly completed its goals, set out to accomplish its war with Iran. The conflict would soon be ending. Trump, facing a war-weary American public, and I think approval rating said the US had destroyed Navy airboats to cripple ballistic missile and nuclear programs. He added the US would continue to hit targets in the Islamic Republic over the next 2 weeks. Tonight, I'm pleased to say we're not going to watch all of that bullshit. Do you know what we can do? Use our old friend ChatGPT. I don't know if it's important. I mean, the main thing is that you look at the oil prices. For example, okay, $112. Oh, bro, what the fuck? What the fuck? Hell no. Oh, hell no. Yeah, that's why the Nasdaq is moving lower. Do I really think? Okay, I think we might be longs today. This is outrageous repricing. There's a lot of imbalance. My god, the longs, the actual fucking longs out of that daily gap. Holy longs. Oh my god, maybe I should be trading oil. That was a major repricing oil. It should be moving higher today. God, look at the full story. Oh my god. What about gold? That's a good point. Gold moving lower as well. People losing faith in gold as well. Well, that's actually because there's a lot of demand right now. People have lost their interest in gold out there. It's down. Yeah. I would be shorting this motherfucker. I would be shorting gold, honestly. What about copper? Fucking hell. I must admit there was a lot of supply. Yeah, but copper tends to do this, doesn't it? I mean, if we get a massive dip like to this level, buying copper wouldn't be a bad idea. With raising interest in AI and all of that, energy as well, energy, and the move to nuclear power as well. So uranium, stuff like that. And then we had another news, didn't we? We had another bit of news. So we had unemployment claims. So it's positive. Well, it's less than, which is greater. That's good for currency. Look at the US dollar. A massive spike up. It's actually correlating in a minute. Bro, what the fuck? Well, DXY is coming up. It's back up to 100. Start of the year was at fucking 95. So we moved up quite a lot. Yeah. 10 minutes, we'll see. 10 minutes and we'll see. Chopping about here a bit. Holding this 1 minute. Buyers are interested in this price. I would think it's long because of that massive move up on oil, bro. Fucking hell, $112, $105 a barrel. That is disgusting. Oh shit. Oh, if you were in this show, GG's, you would have just been taken out. I'm just cleaning my friggin' mouse right now. Alright, market is about to open. I'm just here cleaning my mouse. Gotta do that shit. Holy shit. Okay, we are moving up. Like I thought. Oil should be moving down. Very nice. Okay, so that means we are for sure reacting out of this gap. We are for sure reacting out of that bitch. 4 hour tap. We are draws higher. Very nice. Alright, let's just look for a... There's that 15-minute that we wanted to see get tapped as well. Alright, literally continuations up to this, up until the London high or that 4 hour that's untapped. There is no bottom wick on this though, so we could be chopping. Remember, this could be setting a range. This could be setting a range for a chop fest today because of price being so fucking discounted and fucking premiumed on oil. So we might see a day where price just evens out a little bit rather than where price moves. You get me? You feel me, Aki? Do you think longs would be good though? Following this displacement. Investors are interested in the Nasdaq today. Or at least American investors are. Holy shit. Again, I'm having to read. Alright. That shit is. It's clean. There is a mechanical long that is 1 minute long that you could maybe take. As long as this 30-second goes inverse on the NAS. Ooh. Oh my god. Holy fakey. Fakey. Oh, wait a minute. If this 5 minute goes inverse, I might try a short, so I'm not even gonna hold you. Oh, but then there's no top wick here. We tap this 5 minute. Okay. There's no top wick on this. This could be a potential short you could play. Front running this 5 minute like this. Big reaction, big reaction. Yeah, you see we're holding this top 15-minute gap. And we're going below the EMA. Does look nice. But I don't like the fact that there isn't a top wick here. I don't really... I would fade it. Front running's working out for you though. You took the front run. Oh, the 1 minute's holding. I just don't really like the fact that there's a fucking no top wick on this. There is a top wick though in the US. You actually have big balls if you front run this 5 minute. There's break even. I would rather wait for a continuation. I would want price to keep dropping. If it's gonna drop, it's gonna drop. Probably you could hold this for a 2 risk to reward, or even a 3 looking at volatility. Remy boy, Remy boy, 17. Oh, I can't play Spotify tunes because of YouTube. Remy boy, Remy boy, 17. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, oh, the edge of doom. To be fair, you could have been done with this trade already if you were just targeting this low for just like a little bit below for that one. You would have smacked. You would have smacked, but maybe you can't break even on this one. Okay, there's that 1 minute. Oh, holy shit. Oh, this looks like bad for the 5 minute gap. It's not created with imbalance, it's created with brain rot. Holy. Order block holding. Order block holding. Currently. This one, I mean. Bro. I just want to look like money, you feel me? I just want to look like money. Yeah. Yeah, that's my clue that this 5 minute is not good, by the way. Look at we wicked it completely, and here we didn't. Here it just, the sell side just exists. So it's like, okay, this could be another good short here. If you're playing EMA, this is another good short, looking for lower, or maybe just, you know, whatever you want. A 1 low here, a 2 risk to reward. That could be a good, that would be a good play. Obviously, I don't want to take that. I'm waiting for my continuation confirmation. These are all opportunities that you can just find. They're not A+, they're opportunities, right? That's what I mean. Not every opportunity is an A+ one. I'm just mapping them out for you guys so you can see how you get in on this bitch. Preferably, I like to wait for... I would have liked to take this 5 minute, but because price dumped all the way through, I don't want my entry being, you know, all the way down here, right? That's just stupid. So this looks like, to me, we're remanipulating these lows. We're still getting this fat cells. You can see. We could turn into a chop fest, boys. It looks like there's interest from both sides here. Okay, second entry got shit on. Honestly, I think we're drawing to that London high, but there's no resweep. I would have liked to see the resweep. We're in this 5 minute now, but it's not a high quality 5 minute. As you can see, there's no gap on the S&P, so... We're about to see a sweep of these highs in the S&P. Maybe here as well. Told you, we're coming up to make this a top wick. Let's look at the 15 minute candle. Lovely. So we're holding this 15 minute now. Could get ready. Could take the longs here. Could try longs. It looks great. That looks way better. See, there's that top wick. There's no current SMT. Hello. Are you fucking... What the fuck is happening? There you go. We can get in on the... Let's see if we get a nice retest, actually. Because we are very close. See, now there's no bottom like here. It's like, bro, are you fucking serious? If we hit this bottom width, I'll try the long. That would be a very nice entry. Okay, so we took out the high on the US, but not quite on NASDAQ. By the way, if I took the inverse, my entry would have been here. If we come back to here, I'll get in. Type shit. This is actually queuing up. If we create this 5 minute and then we come and retest, nice. Be patient. Just be patient. only reason I didn't take that was because of this 1 minute. Literally, that's it. Just being cautious of things like that. Right, we're rushing up to the London high now on the US. That could cause a little retracement. Okay, we're not going up for the London highs quite yet. Although I think we should be, right? There should be a push up to the London highs. Alright, so this was the setup, boys. We hold the 15 minute down here, then burst to 5. Boom. Okay, there you go. We just took out that London high. Now I'm hoping to see a continuation up to that 4 hour. Which, oh, we're currently in a 4 hour after the London highs get swept. Could be shorts now. It could be shorts in a second. Because we have the sweep plus the 4 hour. It's kind of looking really good for shorts. We'll see though. On the close, we have the next 4 hour forming at the end of this candle. If we disrespect, I would see price going higher, but you never know. Because currently we're holding a 4 hour. We have SMT. It's a really tough day today to see what's going on, really. Because longs looked really good now, and now shorts look even better. It's kind of queuing up to be A+ for shorts. If this holds. Okay. So we're going inverse on this 4 hour, it looks like. Oh, we're charging up. Holy shit. Looks like the 4 hours holding and we're just going to go higher. And then again, like, look at this V shape as well. This is too hard to tell right now, I think. I think you'd have to wait till tomorrow. I mean, that was a good long setup. Let's see if we can get a continuation. This is the next 4 hour. It looks like it wants to go higher. It's the top wick. See, now if we're gonna go down, we're gonna see the reaction now. Like, or we'll come up a bit and then go down. I can make you fall in love with. Why you wanna always rise up more than you can chew? I mean, honestly, shorts look good now. But I just want to see what holds and gets disrespected, honestly. Honest to God, mate. Holy shit. Honestly, what I want to see... Let me just remove the position, all of this shit, all of this shit, all of that shit off my screen. So, out of this 4 hour, what do I want to see? I want to see a hard rejection and then a resweep of this high and then we go lower. That's what I want to see. But we might just reverse fast now because of this shit. Right, we came up quite quickly. I know no more SMT, but it's still queuing up for like some very nice shorts. Oh, it's such an in-between because we really have swept the liquidity. We've closed above it, and now we're coming into this 5 minute. I guess we just gotta see what happens to this 5 minute gap. If we can get a close through and then a nice 1 minute hold, and like we can go from flip. I really want to play the shorts now, but who the fuck knows, car? Getting a bounce off the 1 minute EMA currently. Not a re-sweep on the 1 minute. Reject harder. Okay, that for me is the 1 minute flipping. If we can get close below here, the 1 minute's flipped in my eyes already. Why you wanna always rise up more than you can chew? It's so crazy, my little baby. I'm so wavy. I was in the Navy and everything I do is for the group. That gal got height and she went lower. Oh, very big reaction off that 5 minute. Taking longs now, we're in premium. I can't take longs anymore. I have to wait for price to rebalance. Oh, if we sweep. Let's see what happens in the 1 minute if we take when we take this high out. Holy fuck, man. We are charging higher right now. Okay, so we tapped the 4 hour now. Why is that, bro? What is that? Bro, someone I guarantee took this long and it's just like, yeah, you're the goat. You are the goat. Bro, that's already like a 2 risk to reward. Just that move up. LOL. No top wick. Bruh. Surely moving up. No, there is a wick. in this 1 minute. It's too premium. It's too premium for me. It's too premium. I can't take longs here, bro. My chance to take longs was down here. I wanted to see price retest this, but we didn't get it. I would have literally just entered the moment it touched it. Like, literally. My entry would have been this. Like, say price came and retested it on that candle, I would have just played it like this. Oh, we would have banged the fucking Oh, we've tapped this top 4 hour now. Oh my fucking god. Holy shit. Right, now we've come into that 4 hour. What the fuck is that? The daily gap. Oh, we're holding this daily gap like crazy, bro. Ooh, I think I know what this is. We all need a little bit of truth, though. Not yet, though. There's that resweep in the daily gap. So it's kind of what I'm looking for right now. You've got it there on the hourly. To be honest, I just would want to wait to see whether we respect or disrespect. But if we keep moving higher and higher and higher, we have a 15-minute format. We do have a 15-minute forming like now. If we come and test this and then respond accordingly. There is like a low as well that you can sweep to go higher. Honestly, that 50-minute looks so Gara. If I can catch a trade out there. Beautiful. Here we go, next 15-minute forms in 5 seconds. Damn. That one guy who traced at 8 AM or banked today. Holy fucking whack-a-mole, look at this. He made bread today. He made peas, bro. Whatever his name is, Mr. RP Trades. Can't fucking remember his name. He banked today, what a go. Oh shit. It looks like it's just gonna take off. Oh yeah, it's danking. Yeah, now I don't want to look for longs anymore because we're coming into the... So yeah, I'm just done there because basically my one opportunity, we faded it, is what it is. You just be doing fading sometimes. I'm gonna add the alert here just in case we come back and get on my phone. Oh, we actually might be coming back to the 15-minute. If we can get along from this 15-minute, beautiful. Either way, I'm leaving an alert there. Alright, GG's boys, GG's.